outside for a little walk. Ah, who are you?
Hey, little kid, come with me, please. I will take you to the best amusement park of them all.
Okay. Where is it?
Follow. Get in the car. Sure, if we drive around for a bit.
Yeah.
Lots of some music on right there. Do you like the music?
Yes.
Can you hear it?
Yes.
Okay, come here, little kid.
Okay.
Up the car, little kid.
Shall I go
Don't
through?
touch my thing. Yeah, go, go, go.
Okay.
Really fast.
The amusement
Amusement
park.
park.
Here we go. This doesn't look like an amusement park. Ah!
Hello, little kid. You are in. You move. I tell you. Might be some music on while we're doing this. Right. This the human nature. Right.
No. Right, that's the little boy.
Hey, that kid put a dummy in there.
Come on.
You cracker. Oh no. I think
Come on then, try and run away then.
I can hear the cops. I better get out of this place.